Tired of business chaos? Let's tame it together. First, head over to the Dolibarr website and download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, follow the installation wizard. It's generally straightforward, but pay attention to database setup. You'll need to create a database user and password. After installation, log in with the default credentials. You'll usually find these in the installation instructions or in the Dolibarr documentation. Now, the fun begins. Navigate to the modules section. Here you'll find a vast library of features. Activate the modules you need, such as customers, invoices, products, or accounting. Remember to configure each module settings after activation to match your business requirements. Let's create a customer. Click on the customers module and then new customer. Fill in the required information like name, address, and contact details. You can also add custom fields to store additional data. Next, we'll create an invoice. Go to the invoices module and click new invoice. Select the customer, add products or services, set quantities and prices, and Dolibarr will automatically calculate the totals. Finally, explore the reporting features. Dolibarr offers a wide range of reports to track sales, expenses, inventory, and more. These reports provide valuable insights into your business performance. Explore the documentation or search online for tips on advanced configuration and customization.